by connecting these three, you need to use this clip, this one. So after that, clip the wire, insert below. See to it that it's clean. Okay, put it in the below portion of the box, and then you can close already. See, that's simple. Using one hand only. Alright. And then I put also 2 12 volts and 50 and 60 hertz. Let's go and try. See the light coming? Let's get started. Alright. Okay. See? Running or not? It's running. So that's it. This is for today. Electric meat grinder, 110 volts, make it 220 volts, 50 and 60 hertz. That's it, simple. You need to do is the 3 wires only. You connect each other and you can use already in 220. I hope I can help you. Don't forget to comment, like or subscribe. This is Kitchenaid saying thank you.